As with previous years, the 2026 Dacia Sandero maintains Dacia's dedication to provide economical, dependable, and practically perfect transportation. While maintaining the no-nonsense spirit that has always attracted budget-conscious drivers, the next-generation Sandero is expected to feature current upgrades in design, technology, and efficiency, building on its established position as one of Europe's most cheap hatchbacks. A new look for the 2026 Sandero without straying from its practical origins. Its updated front and back fascias bring the model into the present era while staying true to its core characteristics, which include simplicity and aerodynamics. A more modern appearance and lower manufacturing costs are achieved through functional details like LED daytime running lights and the streamlined grille. When designing the Sandero, Dacia prioritized efficiency and cheap operating costs. In addition to dependable and economical gasoline engines, the 2026 model year offers a mild hybrid option that enhances gas mileage in congested city streets. Easy, calm driving is the goal of the Sandero's everyday usage design. It isn't exactly a high-performance bike, but it's built to provide reliable handling and a comfy ride for regular commutes. There is still an emphasis on practicality rather than opulence inside the Sandero's cabin. Effortless controls, long-lasting materials, and an airy cabin that makes the most of passenger comfort and storage space are all part of the interior's minimalist design. The newest entertainment system may not be able to compete with high-end brands in terms of luxury, but it meets the fundamental needs of today's drivers with features like digital instruments and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keeping the Sandero appealing from a pricing and value standpoint is the main priority. Therefore, basic amenities are provided without needless additions. Even with the cost-cutting strategy, safety is paramount. Standard equipment on the 2026 Sandero includes a plethora of airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS, with electronic stability control, and a few driver aids including lane keeping assist and autonomous emergency braking. Dacia strikes a balance between affordability and safety, making sure that even the base model satisfies modern regulatory requirements without increasing the price. The 2026 Sandero maintains the model's reputation for affordable price, which has made it a popular choice among first-time buyers and families on a tighter budget. This puts it in a solid position to compete in the low-cost new car sector. The Sandero is a great pick for people shopping for a cheap car because of its dependable performance, fuel economy, and low-maintenance needs. An affordable, no-frills hatchback that doesn't skimp on functionality or key contemporary conveniences. That's what you can expect from the 2026 Dacia Sandero. Although it lacks the high-end amenities and technology featured in more expensive models, it stands out for its streamlined appearance, fuel-efficient engine, and dedication to affordability, making it an excellent pick for families and individuals seeking dependable transportation.